Droughts are a negative thing, as we all know, and I think this last 5, 6 years, it's sort of gradually, the rainfall is not good this summer, it's not good the next summer. You've got commitments, you've got to live, you know, you've got to keep the show rolling. It's always in the back of your mind that drought affects not only financially, but you've got a big responsibility to look after stock. You can't let them die. We could work on anything from a chainsaw to a D9 dozer or a big case loader or something like that as a mechanic. That's not the sort of stuff we normally would do, but if it's going to help them and get them back on the road, you know, it's good.
I think the RACQ Foundation being here is very important because we need that connectivity, the linkages. We have hardships just no different to what you guys have. You know, it's not all glitz and glamour, and you know, we're custodians of the land. We live, eat, breathe this story day in, day out, and we find it very, very difficult to be able to divorce our business from our life.
Since being out here with the RACQ Foundation, the main things that we've been engaged in is fencing, painting, general labour. There's quite a lot of social that goes along with it. It's not just been the help with getting the work done, it's been the company. And the fact that somebody actually cares enough to travel this far out to just have a chat.
This fencing job would have taken another 6 months to get done, whereas with the 6 extra helpers, they've managed to get it done in 2 days.
It's been good, you know, irrespective of what work's been done. It's helped us a lot, and just having somebody there to talk to, yeah, it's been wonderful having them here.
When you're busy with drought, that's all you think about. Having the RACQ fellows here is a great thing because they're not talking about the drought all the time. It's good for your morale and it's good for your mind just to laugh about something or find out about someone else's life. We've been privileged to have them here, and we just like to thank the RACQ Foundation.
To the RACQ Foundation, I'd like to say a hearty thank you very much. It's heartening to actually know that there are people out there that care about agriculture.
I'd like to just thank him for the thought.
The little towns are forgotten, and it's been very, very nice to have them, and yeah, a big thank you to the Foundation for coming out.